Welcome to refined living in this modern luxury home, located inside a gated 55 plus active adult golf community. Built in 2025, it offers a fresh, contemporary feel from the moment you arrive. Step inside to clean architectural lines and an effortless flow that leads you straight into the heart of the home. The open concept living area is designed for both comfort and connection, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The kitchen anchors the space with a spacious island and modern finishes, ideal for gatherings, casual meals, or quiet mornings. Nearby, the dining area blends seamlessly into the layout, supporting easy everyday living. A dedicated den adds flexible space for a home office, hobbies, or a quiet retreat. The primary suite feels like a true sanctuary, offering generous space and a calming atmosphere. The ensuite bath and closet continue the modern luxury experience with comfort and functionality. A secondary bedroom and full bath welcome guests with ease and comfort. Outside, the screened in porch creates the perfect setting for peaceful mornings or relaxing evenings. The rare three-car garage adds exceptional convenience and storage. And the gated active adult golf community offers a lifestyle built around leisure, connection, and ease. Reach out today to schedule your tour.